Hello everyone. So today in this video I will tell you how you can generate guest posting backlinks for SEO. So before that, let me tell you this video is powered by Easy PDF Editor and Easy PDF Editor for Android phone and iOS phone. So check link in description. Okay. So before giving you a list for guest posting websites, let me give you a quick overview that in this list you can publish each guest post in $2, and this is a fully automated process. You can submit your article in the form and it will be published. So all articles will be indexed 100% sure, and one article give you one do follow backlink. So you can generate any links or any backlinks, and all backlinks will be indexed within 2 to 3 days. So this is the list of websites for guest posting. I will give you this link in description and comment pin also. So this is the list for $2 one guest post on one website. So here you can read the benefits of guest posting, like increase website traffic by adding backlinks in Google guest post, increase branding by guest posting, get more leads for business by improving search ranking. So these are the benefits of guest posting. Like if you do multiple guest posting, then you build multiple backlinks and it will improve your backlinks profile. So it ultimately result in a better ranking or better organic more organic traffic. So all these are the benefits of guest posting, and if you want to learn about the benefits, then you can watch my another video which is completely on guest posting benefits. So you can click on this link on which you want to publish guest post, and these are the terms and condition. This is a semi-automated process, like you have to submit your article or guest post here and also need to fill basic details. So these are the terms condition, like one do follow backlink allowed per post, and all the guest posting will be live within 5 minutes, and you have to pay your $2 fees via PayPal. Minimum 500 articles required. All article got indexed in Google within 2 to 3 days, and this is not an automated process. You are submitting your article manually. Okay, so here you need to enter your name or author name. Okay, so let me just give you a quick overview by filling all these details. So here you need to enter the email ID. It is a good choice to use the same email ID which you will be using in PayPal, so there is no conflict in payments tracking. And also the author can contact you in case of any communication gap or any issue in article. Okay, so here you can enter your post title. Okay, here post slug. Okay, all these are basic details, and the best thing is that your post will be live within 5 minutes of paying $2 per article fees. Okay, so here you need not to send the emails and waiting for the rewards and then clearing term condition, then providing articles, nothing. Just simply process your article and make sure that it follow all the guidelines. Okay, and here you need to enter your article must be minimum 500 words. So this is my article, and let me add a backlink or a do follow backlink in simple ahrefs tag. Yes, that's it. I expect you already know that how to enter backlink in a text. Okay, that's it. Now just copy and paste it in the text area. Yes, that's it. Copy and paste. Okay, so guest posting charges $2 per post. So now it will redirect us for the payments on PayPal gateway. This is my backlink. This will be embedded on this anchor text. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and if you find any anything wrong or need any help, then just comment below. Okay, yes, one do follow backlink, right? So I'm sure that I followed all the guidelines. Okay, now pay $2 and publish it. So it will redirect me on PayPal. Okay, it's processing. Yes, you are redirecting to PayPal. Okay, so let me just clear the payments. I will pause the video for a few minutes or a few seconds. Yes, it will redirect back me on this page after payments. So here this article is not published yet. We have to wait for minimum 5 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, not minimum. Okay, and also here this email ID mention in case of any query or if your payment completed and not article not got live after 5 or 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, so let me just pause this video for 5 minutes. Yes, okay, now got it. Right after 5 minutes this article published on this website. So let me open it. Okay, yes, this is the backlink which we have entered when adding the text. Okay, pretty much good. So this is an semi-automated process. So article will go live right after you process the payments within 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the list. You can check this link in description, and here let me show you all the other websites. Here other more websites will be added soon. So here this is same fields, you need to enter same details, same $2 charges. Here this is on Credit Calc website, right? Same fields, same process, enter these same details. Okay, and on this business website you need to enter the same details. Yes, amazing. Okay, so here all the articles will be published in $2 in each article. So this is the best way to create guest posting backlinks and improve your profile. So here on Easy PDF Editor website you can publish your guest post here, and same with same guidelines on this minor services. Yes, everything is same. Just generate backlink on each website and they will boost your search engine ranking, because all these backlinks will be indexed within 1 to 2 days, and as you can see that post will be live within 5 minutes. So this is the best way to create guest posting submissions and generate instant backlinks. Also these backlinks are permanent, fully permanent, and more websites will be added soon, very soon. And hopefully when you are watching this video, more websites is already added. So this is 100% genuine website, and if you have any query then you can simply drop your email and you will get a prompt response within few hours. So don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.